1 Minute Polish, Lesson 9.
Welcome to 1 Minute Polish. Mam na imię Ania. I'm Ania, your host and teacher, and I'm here to teach you Polish, 1 minute at a time. We're going to spend 60 seconds learning Polish, and in this lesson, we're learning how to ask people how they're feeling. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. A very important question in any language is, how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation like this with your Polish-speaking friends and colleagues. As with other phrases in this course, there are different ways of saying this. Let's start with the informal. Listen to this phrase in Polish. Jak się masz? Listen again. Jak się masz? One more time. Jak się masz? If you want to be more formal, you can ask a male. Jak się pan ma? Listen again. Jak się pan ma? And for a female, you would say, jak się pani ma? Try that once again. Jak się pani ma? Now, let's learn some answers to this question. To say you're feeling well, you can just say dobrze. Try this again. Dobrze. One more time, and remember to sound like you mean it. Dobrze. To say you're not feeling good at all, you would say źle. Repeat this again. Źle. One more time. Źle. But hopefully you'll be feeling very good. To say this in Polish, you could say bardzo dobrze. This is one of many ways, just as in English, there are lots of ways of saying the same thing. Try saying very good again. Bardzo dobrze. One more time. Bardzo dobrze. Okay, let's put this to the test. I'm going to ask you how you're feeling. Jak się masz? Hopefully your answer was bardzo dobrze. Time's up. That's all for this lesson. We really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you're just spending 1 minute each time on your Polish. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in 1 minute. We'll be back next time with the last lesson in this series, so in the meantime, dziękuję bardzo i do widzenia.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.